One guy, one screwdriver reaction.
But that was the same. Oh my God. Stop it! Does he want to have kids?
Let's show you guys a preview of what she's watching.
Did he die too?
I don't know.
For messing with his testicles like that?
That's not his testicles.
Or whatever. People are sick. He went to a bathtub and threw these people are not scared. Ew, in the sink, in the bathtub. Creepy song. Hey, look at this. That's probably how Zac Efron is. Look, his body is like that, right? Can you see it? His body's like that, right? And then